This is Cindy, Palm Springs Cindy, and I'm here today to do a video on which is the best applicator for my foundation. Would it be a little sponge or would it be a brush? So let's find out. I have moisturizer on my face. I have concealer around my eyes. I have my eye makeup on. That's it. And I have my hair obviously in curlers. Obviously. So I am going to use my wonderful Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I'm going to put half of my face using the sponge, half of my face using the, now this is what I mean by application. Okay, this side I'm gonna tap, 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 and I'm gonna use, see which one applies better. I always worry that the sponge sucks up too much of the product. But, you know, we'll see. And yes, I got back from my class reunion. I had so much fun, you guys. It's just crazy how much fun I had. And I actually have notes because while I'm putting this on, I want to share with you. First of all, I want to dedicate this video to the following wonderful classmates of mine. And that would be Ruthie. Ruthie, you have watched my videos from the get-go. I think I'm running out of this. And she has this big TV. And so she was, anyway, Ruthie, this video is dedicated to you. You are awesome, your house is gorgeous, your husband is wonderful, and I'm thrilled that we got to reconnect. Also dedicated to Melissa and Billy, and their daughter Emily. Melissa drove me around all over Jackson. She really put me under her wing. Okay, you guys, look at this. Look at this. And then there is Linda Hinkle, how I know her. And Linda was my date, I'll say. She was a great date. In fact, I asked her to go steady. I asked her to go steady with me because we danced together. She was single, I was single. We were sort of this is the brush that I'm using to apply. So we danced, we stood in line and bought our cold drinks together. We chit-chatted. Anyway, she was a great date. So Linda, this video is also dedicated to you because we're going steady. And I also want to dedicate this to Karen and Charles, her husband, who were in charge of this reunion and did such a fabulous job. We're so on top of it that they made it wonderful for everybody. So thank you. And this video is dedicated to Karen and Dr. Bush, who has probably delivered over 10,000 babies. That's a lot of babies. That's a lot of babies. And Cappy got engaged the night of the reunion, and so Cappy, her ring is gorgeous. She is adorable. She's just a chit-chatter and just absolutely as sweet and cute as can be. So this video is also dedicated to Cappy and that beautiful diamond ring of yours and your fiance, and to Bibi and to Lillian and to everybody else. Whoever else I'm missing, I can't even think because I'm so excited. Okay, now can you see a difference? Brush, sponge. I'm going to put on my bronzer and see if it comes out a little bit, or, you know, is applied easier one side versus another. And now I also, let's see, Melissa took me to her daughter's, well, we act like it's her daughter's furniture store, but it's where her daughter works. And I bought 2 things to take home with me. One of them is this darling frame, and I've already taken my film in, and I'm going to put a picture of us gals in my frame, and it's going to go on one of my side tables. And then I bought this because, and I'm going to put it on a little knob, a cotton ball. It's a big cotton ball. But you know how you can put these on the knob of a drawer or of a, you know, whatever. Because this is so from, you know, such a Mississippi memorabilia. Those, oh, and I also bought this cat from Crazy Cat. Eat Up, you guys. Now, Melissa took me to Crazy Cat. For, it was actually like a late, I can't tell the difference in how this is going on. She took me to Crazy Cat, and it's, we had the best quiche in the world and a beautiful strawberry salad. Great coffee. And on the wall, it's an old establishment, and on the wall I took pictures, and I'm going to include them at the beginning or the end of this, maybe right here. They have framed, handwritten recipes from like, who knows how long ago, 100 years ago. And they put them in frames, and it looks like they're all handwritten by the same person on these parchment papers. Well, anyway, I just swooned when I saw them. So I took a picture of those. Okay, so far so good, you guys. I can't really tell the difference. I'm going to put some blush on, and then I'm going to do my hair. When we were at one of the reunions, see, we all went to this one high school. Then the high school got so big, they built another high school. So they made some of us go from this high school to this high school. So one night was this high school's reunion, and another night was both of our reunions. So when we had both reunions, we had this great band. I'm not kidding, you guys, it was great. And before I knew it, I was pulled up on the stage to dance. I can't believe it. So I have pictures of that. I danced my little heart out. I'm going to put this lipstick on. And then, well, my earring just came off. Okay, let's see here. I had some highlights put in my hair, and they came out really kind of white. It almost looked like I had gray hair. So tonight, before I washed my hair, I put some auburn color on my highlights. And I guess you can see that it's auburn, but I couldn't really tell. It just made my hair look darker. The weather here has been hot but beautiful. I've been in my pool. I've been shampooing my carpet. I've been taking care of my patient. I have been, I went to the gym today. I've got to get some weight off. And so today I had a busy day. The decision is, it doesn't matter to me whether I use a sponge applicator for my foundation or whether I use a brush applicator for my foundation. Anyway, you guys, it's up to the jury. Mwah. P.S. I love you. If you have not subscribed, please do. And please press that button, ring that bell so you know when I upload a video, and give me a like. And until our next conversation, bye-bye.